today's YouTube video, we're just gonna be exploring this like rocky stuff right here and like this ocean view. So I'm here with my cousin and my sister. So yeah, make sure to hit that like and subscribe button for more. That boat, that noise is like a boat passing by. So yeah, I wonder what's down here. You guys see anything? I don't really see anything. So yeah. So here's like what the ocean view looks like right now. So, alright. So, guys, see anything down there? So, let's just keep exploring these little things in here. And yeah. Shout out to Christian Van Lenten. He's one of my friends. He has a YouTube channel. So, like always, in a few videos you see me say that. So check out his channel and make sure to hit the like and subscribe buttons at his channel. Thank you. And let's keep exploring. I'm gonna lower down the tripod in here. There's like nothing in here. I thought there would be, oh, what's down there? I see something. If you see right there. Let's keep exploring, because I see something right there. Like, what is that? Is that a glow stick or something? Right there. What is that? Yeah, I don't know. Wait, what's that? Yeah, there's like some stuff down there. So here's like the wet rocks. I'm not gonna go by those because I don't want to slip and fall. Okay, guys, we're gonna start. Oh, what is that? Do you guys see that? Hold up. Where is it? Oh yeah, right there. It's in there. I don't know what that is, but we're gonna start walking back. So, see you guys in the next one. Peace and goodbye.